Hello, I welcome you all to this insightful demo of Nergy Vidya, India's first SL and IL tech-backed student lifecycle management platform in commerce. Let me guide you through the impressive features and innovations of Nergy Vidya, which will revolutionize commerce education. The core of Nergy Vidya is SL and IL tech, which positioned us as the pioneers of tech-driven commerce education. Now, let's take a closer look at SL and IL Tech and how it enhances the experience of commerce education through Nergy Vidya. Let's take an instance, learning how to generate EPAN using Nergy Vidya and understand how a student can use SL Tech in a practical situation. Simulator learning technology is utilized to deliver exact professional experience to a student, replicating real-world scenarios. Energy has created simulations of government statutory filing portals for educational purposes. So, students can learn statutory filings without any real-world consequences. Let me show you how simulation technology works in our platform. And to examine that, let's get back to generating an EPAN using Nergy Vidya. As the first step, let's log into Nergy Vidya platform. If you have a registered email ID and password, you can directly log in by using the same. Otherwise, you can click on Generate Now button seen on screen. Please type your registration ID and email in this window and click on the Submit button and wait for the invitation email. You will receive this email on the given email ID. You can find a link to complete registration and generate password in the email. Follow the link to complete registration. Next, enter a desired password and confirm the password again. Click on the Submit button and you're all set to login. Go to the login page and enter your email ID and password. Now we have reached Nergy Vidya dashboard. Let's get back to continue generating EPAN. Select your opted course. For instance, let's opt Finance Executive course. In the dashboard, you can see 5 options: learning materials, practical, assignments, my certifications, and a help section as well. In the learning materials section, you'll find easy to understand explanations of fundamental theory concepts for each topic in video and PDF format. In video section, you can find videos explaining course modules in detail. The PDFs include screenshots, illustrations, and more to aid comprehension. In practical section, where our all simulations are listed, Nergy Vidya offers simulations for filing, ITR, GST, e-way bill, DSC registration, ESIC, EPFO, and more, enabling students to master statutory filings essentials for the real professional scenarios. Assignments are situation-based tasks to complete and practice. This allows tutors to give assignments and assess the completion of them. And my certification are the certificates you obtained through Nergy Vidya, and the help section provide the support you may need. To continue to our task of generating the EPAN, we will now select practical icon shown here. This opens to a window where a lot of practical tasks are listed. Let's select option to generate a EPAN in the platform. Now we are seeing the page from Nergy Vidya platform. For better understanding of the simulation, let me show you the exact income tax portal of Central Government of India. Here, we can see both at the same time and understand that our simulated platform has no differences other than the purpose. Let's get back to completing our task using Nergy Vidya platform. Go ahead and select Instant EPAN from Quick Links of original portal. And now I'm selecting Instant EPAN from the Quick Links from Nergy Vidya platform. Now click on Get New EPAN and enter the 12-digit Aadhaar number provided in the task. Once you have entered the number correctly, ensure to tick the confirmation column and click Continue. Next, you will see a consent form. Simply check the box to proceed to the next window. Then, you have to type the OTP as shown in the screen. For educational purpose, we have developed it like this. After confirming the OTP, you will enter the next window. Here, you will need to validate your email by entering the OTP provided. After validating your email, tick the checkbox to accept the given information and click Continue. Great. You'll now see a confirmation message indicating that your request for EPAN has been completed successfully. To download your EPAN, click on Go to Login on the current window. Once you're in the home page again, navigate back to Instant EPAN from the Quick Links. Now, select Check Status or Download PAN and click Continue. Enter the 12-digit Aadhaar number again and proceed. Enter the OTP received and continue. Finally, click on Download EPAN to complete the process. And there you have it. As you have just seen, this flow was exactly like the real ITR portal. Similarly, Energy Vidya has ITR registration, ITR 1 old regime, ITR 1 new regime, TDS, TCS, TRN, GST registration, nil return, GST R1 filing, GSTR 3B filing, GSTR composition return filing, e-way billing, ESIC EPFO sign up, EPFO registration, ESIC registration, LIN registration, journal entry, cash flow statement, bank reconciliation statement, financial statement. Now, let's dive into Energy Vidya's other important learning tools made using interactive learning technology. Interactive learning technology is a game changer, offering students hands-on practice to grasp core topics better. Also, it's a system which can communicate with students. It indicates mistakes real time while the task being done, so the students can rectify and proceed the task. It's not just about memorization. The key is practical understanding to excel academically and professionally. These tools not only aid students in better comprehension of theory, but also empowers educators effectively cultivating a student's skills and helps in effective assessment. Now, let's check out the practical application of IL Tech by doing a journal entry. For that, we have to go back to the course dashboard and select the Finance Executive course. Let's start the journal entry section by selecting the window from the practical. Once you have selected the task, simply click on the Start Task button. You will now be presented with a table where you can enter the details provided in the task. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the task and start journalizing. As you proceed, you'll notice that we have selected two cells, debit and credit, and ledgered the values from the question 1. Now, after clicking submit here, let's click on validation to check our progress. The platform will indicate that 2 out of 2 entries are correct. Now, let's intentionally fill the second entry incorrectly. After making the change, click on validation again. As expected, the platform notifies us that only 1 out of 10 entries are correct. Students can practice this task repeatedly until they achieve proficiency. Similarly, Energy Vidya offers interactive tools for cash flow statement, financial statement, bank reconciliation statements, TDS and TCS, etc. This feature allows students to identify and rectify any mistakes they have made, enhancing their learning experience through practice. Using SL and IELTech, Energy have designed short-term courses, OJTs, and integrated programs endorsed by MEPSC, BFSI SSCs under Skill Ministry of India and are approved as National Occupational Standard courses or micro-credentials for skill development endorsed by NCVET under Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India. If you are interested to learn more, don't hesitate to contact us. Let's innovate commerce education together.